Ever find yourself in a labyrinth of online opportunities, unable to navigate your way to making a real income? You're not alone. The virtual landscape is vast, and the path to financial success can often seem like a puzzle. But fear not. Today, unravel the mystery of online entrepreneurship with a step-by-step blueprint to daily pay. No tech skills, no massive following, no problem. This blueprint isn't about quick-fix schemes or empty promises. It's about building an online income that's sustainable and, more importantly, realistic. So fasten your virtual seatbelts as we embark on a journey to online financial freedom. Step 1. Identify a profitable niche. Think of a niche as a small corner of the market where you can excel. It could be anything from vintage car parts to handmade soaps. The key is to find a niche that sparks your passion and has a demand online. Step 2. Create valuable content. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start creating content. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, or even an online course. The goal is to provide value to your audience, making them more likely to engage with your content and eventually make a purchase. Step 3. Establish an online presence. This means creating a website, setting up social media profiles, and engaging with your audience regularly. Remember, consistency is key. The more consistent you are, the more your audience will grow, and the more money you'll make. Step 4. Monetize your platform. There are several ways to do this. You could sell products or services, use affiliate marketing, or even sell ad space on your website. The important thing is to choose a method that aligns with your content and audience. Step 5. Scale your business. Once you start making money, don't just settle. Look for ways to grow your income. This could mean expanding your product line, reaching out to a larger audience, or investing in advertising. And there you have it. A blueprint to making money online. It might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. And with this blueprint, you're not just taking a step, you're embarking on a journey towards financial freedom. So why wait? Time, as they say, is money. Start your journey today. Implement this blueprint and watch as your dreams of making money online transform from a distant mirage to a tangible reality. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your online success is action. So get started, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to dream big. After all, the world of online entrepreneurship is vast and full of opportunities, and with this blueprint, it's yours for the taking.